Hola, la señora Vaz with the instructions for today. Today we are going to work this. Okay, first thing first, your attendance here, and then you will find your video right here, and then you're going to your actividad inicial. In the actividad inicial, you're going to this photo. So this is the photo. In this photo, you are going to record in the comments a statement about what you like to do and what you are like. How did you do that? You use this structure. So you're going to say something that you like to do, and then you describe what you are like based on that. So I put an example here. Me gusta pasar tiempo con amigos. Soy sociable. And you're going to use your own activity that you like to do, and then your own adjective. All right, let's go back to the plan. You have 2 activities. That is actually 3. But you have to complete 2 activities. Let's look at the first one. The first one, remember, I give you points for writing your name correctly and checking your correct grade level. Then it says, and let's put something there because it's not going to let me complete. Here's an example what you're going to do in the first part. No, this has only one part, sorry. So here's an example what you're going to do here. So it's very simple. You have the direction right here. Tito is interviewing Jorge and Ana and this and that. Okay, you read the instruction. And then you are going to complete these sentences. So, for example, Tito is asking Jorge, ¿eres talentoso? So Tito is asking Jorge a question and Jorge has to answer accordingly. And you have the first word so you know if the person is saying, is responding in an affirmative or a negative form. So we can work on this together and then you're going to submit, no problem. The next one has 2 sections because it's 1B-4 and 1B-5. Same thing, you fill your name, you put here, and then it's saying here next because it's going to take you to the first section. So in the first section, you're going to read the instruction. Please notice that I put here, do not repeat adjectives. Keep in mind the subject is masculine or feminine. Otherwise, it's going to mark you wrong. So you look at the name of the person, then you know if the adjective is masculine or feminine. So I tell you in advance, Esteban is a boy. Pedro is a boy. Claudia is a girl. Teresa is a girl. Luz is a girl. Manuela is a girl. Carmen is a girl. And Lucia is a girl. So you answer this accordingly. And your answers have to be just like the ones that are shown in the example. It's very, very important. I made a screenshot of the example so you can do this. So you notice that start with a capital, that ends in a period, and do not give extra spaces because you know how that works. Then you go to the next one. And the next one has the instruction here. Same thing, be careful to put this in capital letters so you read, complete, and rewrite the sentences. Rewrite. You see, in the example, it's showing you, a mí me gusta leer, yo soy inteligente. Now, in this one, I put a mí, and notice that I put a period there because we're rewriting the whole thing. You look at the image, you start a mí me gusta, and then whatever is in the image, and then yo soy, and a word that would describe this person that shows in the image. And that you have 6 of these questions, you complete, and then you submit. That will be all for that. The next one says, watch the following video. We're going to watch this Grammar Activa video that I made for you guys. We're going to watch it during class. And we're going to compare to our notes right here. And as usual, we will have some participation grade. because I know that you like those 10 extra points. I think that's all for today. I hope to see you in class, and you ask me any questions you have. I'll see you. Adios.